The Lost Dog. Once upon a time, there was a little dog named Max. Max was very happy. He had a big house, a big yard, and a kind owner named Anna. Anna loved Max very much. One day, Anna opened the door to the yard, and Max ran outside. He saw a butterfly flying in the garden. Max wanted to catch it. He ran and ran, but the butterfly was very fast. Max ran so fast that he didn't see the big tree in front of him. Suddenly, Max bumped into the tree and fell down. "Ouch," he said. He was a little hurt, but he was okay. Max stood up, but he couldn't see Anna anywhere. "Where is Anna?" he thought. Max looked around, but he didn't know where he was. He was lost. He walked and walked, asking everyone, "Have you seen Anna?" But no one could help him. After a long time, Max was tired. He sat down under a big tree and began to cry. Just then, he heard a voice. "Max! Max!" It was Anna. She was looking for him. Max ran to Anna. "I'm so happy to see you," he said. "I'm happy to see you too," Anna said. She picked him up and gave him a big hug. From that day, Max never ran away again. He learned to stay close to Anna. And Anna promised to always be there to take care of him.